This is a 1991 Nissan 300ZX. It's a 3.0 twin turbocharged model. We just did a nice custom catback dual exhaust system out to the Magnaflow Street Series mufflers. It's a dual 3.5-inch outlets. That's the part number on the rear mufflers. Came off the mid pipes and we put a dual in, dual out muffler. Left it all stock up front. It's got the air injection and everything still hooked up. Old emission system on it. Got a dual in, dual out mid muffler. And there's a part number on that. Just give it a nice smooth sport tone to it. Nothing real loud. Blows real well for a twin turbo. Let's see what it sounds like. Just nice and smooth, not too much fast and furious to this one. The turbos knock the sound down. It's more about the performance. Just a nice sport tone to it. Just what the customer's looking for.